I'm all done with my install. You know, nice clean install. You know, got them little things back there with me. He said he want to upgrade so they can wear them. I'm gonna let him turn them on for you, just so he can got down. Here you go, bro. See, pop that USB back in.
Yeah, pop it in before I turn it on.
Yeah, you pop it in. Either way, you know, it's a happy customer right here, man. So, you know, y'all see this hoe, man. Just roll through college real quick, man. But you know, press OK. Then, oh, it's already he's straight.
Put it back over.
Man, go ahead and turn that thing up, man. So I can get this on the tube, man. So you can turn it to another one if you want.
Well, I know this is.
Oh yeah, that head. Oh yeah. I don't give a fuck about copyright. Let y'all get the flex real quick. Woo! I'm mastermind on what I do. That's it, man. I do good work around this motherfucker, man. That motherfucker beat. Let it get
on 15.
Oh, it's on 15. Y'all see it, man. Flexing that candy paint. They be flexing. I'm good at what I do, man. Gotta see it though, man. Finish part of it, you know what I'm saying? Gotta beat you. Gotta beat him though, man. How you like that thing though, man?
I'm about to curse my ass out.
Hey, but hey, man, you know, I do good work though, bro. That's what I do, man.
And you do good work and get your curse out because you're beating too goddamn hard.
Shit, appreciate that, bro. You know, I gotta get my boy right, man. My motherfucker brother, you know what I'm saying? From another brother. Got that candy paint on that motherfucker though. Done broke that shit already.
We are wiggling.
Damn, bro. Alright, man, I'm out though, man.